How's it going? Philip Lanhart, J-Tech Institute. No fancy intro video, but we're still doing diagnostic testing. So let's get to it. First off, we're going to start off with a flash code, or with this one is just a push button code. We go through the regular display menu, hold it down at Diagnostics. We have one fault, ABS 1360105. We use those numbers to get them. We use those numbers in troubleshooting to find out the actual problem. Which is right here, axle 1, current below normal. So here we're just going to follow our troubleshooting steps through the manual. Another way of getting this would be the flash codes, like I said earlier, which is turning the cruise control off and then holding it down and resume or set. And then your check engine light is going to flash. You count those flashes, you write down the numbers, and that's the same exact codes that we got with the readings on the display. Next, we're just going to go to a regular handheld code reader. It takes a 9-pin Deutsch. As we see, we got one fault, so we're going to view that fault. And it is the ABS, axle 1, left current below normal. The same thing we read earlier with the push button test. Next, we have a 6-pin Deutsch on a different vehicle, and we're going to use our data stream so we can monitor the vehicle live in case our gauges aren't working or we just need to get more accurate numbers. This is going straight from the ECM. Scrolling through all the data just to get down to some basic numbers that you'll see change when I increase the throttle. Another way of testing is a more advanced way of hooking up an actual computer with proper software. This one's called JAL test. It will read everything more accurately, give you a lot more options in troubleshooting. This one we're going to start off with the buzz test, which is going to check the injectors if they're firing off. And if you listen closely, you can hear them. And as you can hear, it fired off only 5 injectors, which tells us something. And the computer screen tells us that 3 through 6 failed. But to further diagnose this problem, we're going to do a cylinder cutout test, which is what we're going to do now. And unfortunately, I thought I could get the noise from where I was at, but I don't think I was able to. But if you can tell, every time with the screen it says off is when the cylinder is cut out and it is a dead cylinder. So it's going to rattle and shake and whatnot. For this engine itself, number 3, and if it does that, that means the injector is properly shutting off. But if it does not rattle and shake like cylinder 3 here, that means the injector is not getting a signal and shutting off. On the graph here, we have idle, it's pretty flat. Go over, cylinder cutout, idle, cylinder cutout, idle, 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 just cylinder 3. Cylinder 4 cutout, idle, cylinder 5 cutout, idle, cylinder 6 cutout, back to idle. So as you see before in cylinder 3, there was a consistent idle on the graph, which indicated that the injector did not cut out and it was a normal reading, which leads to a bad injector. So that'll do it for this week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Phil, what the hell you doing?
I'm trying to take a video.
Oh, my bad, huh?